Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find connection and sharing. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find this other section and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings. As you can see here, we've got the information what it will be actually reset. So if you're okay with that, tap on Reset Settings. And here also we've got this information that this operation cannot be undone and it might take several seconds, so be patient. Let's then tap on OK, and basically all we have to do is to wait actually for this information, which means that we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.